Hey, I'm Tony Mercury with Autoshop Solutions. So a lot of the times we're talking to you about digital marketing, which is going to provide the lion's share of your leads. But today I want to talk to you a little bit more about some other things you can do for your shop to help gain awareness, increase your visibility. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is being involved in your local community. So some things you can do in your city is think local involvement to sports teams, right? Sponsor a little league team or the high school volleyball team. Another really good one is sign up for the best of your city. It's a contest that most cities are doing, and that's a really good opportunity for you to win. We can put that badge on your website, and that really helps increase your social selling aspect, right? If someone is a first-time visitor to your site and they see that you're the #1 repair shop in your city, they're gonna come see you. Another really good thing to think about as we're talking about social selling is you're putting a lot of time and effort and dollars into marketing. When somebody finally gets to your site, they want to see live customer testimonials. So just ask. We have a lot of clients that are asking and filming video, and you don't need fancy equipment. You can do it with your cell phone, but have someone that comes in frequently. Have someone that does a lot of regular maintenance on their car, and just have them talk about the experience in your shop. You know, how easy was it to book? What was their experience like when they came in? How was the follow-up behind it? And why they decided to choose you and why they continue to choose you to come back into your shop. So these little things, while thinking outside of the box of traditional digital marketing, are really gonna help influence that last step of someone to say, hey, I'm gonna book an appointment with this shop. As always, if you have any additional questions, please reach out to us, talk to your client success manager. We got a lot of ideas. We talk to a lot of different shop owners and we can really help deliver that information to you. Thanks for watching this whole video series. There is other sections available. Make sure to check out 1 through 6 and we'll talk to you soon.